Have you ever been troubled by the seemingly long time your wounds are taking to heal themselves? And are you looking for effective and natural ways to help speed up wound healing? In today's video, we'll talk about some superfoods that will help speed up wound recovery. If you want to know why and how these foods help you heal wounds faster, make sure to watch the video to the end. Protein, the best wound healing nutrient. Wounds are caused by different direct injuries to the body. Some of the most common wounds include the following: pressure sores, foot ulcers, abrasions, lacerations and punctures, and burns. Adequate nutrition is often overlooked due to attention to wound healing treatments such as antibiotics and hyperbaric oxygen therapy. But the simple truth is that your body needs a lot of nutrients to help any kind of wound heal. You'll need to ramp up your protein intake in addition to other important nutrients. The reason is that protein plays a crucial role in wound healing. Protein aids in the synthesis of collagen and elastin, two substances needed for creation of new body tissues. It also functions to help enzymes complete essential chemical reactions within the body. Protein is even used in the formation of antibodies needed to promote healthy immune function. Healthy adults need a minimum of 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, which is about 2 ounces, although somewhat more is recommended. However, those with acute and chronic wounds need even more protein intake, depending on the type and severity of their wounds. Here are 6 superfoods charged with protein. Now that you know why protein is essential for fast wound healing, it's time to unveil the 6 protein-laden superfoods you must add to your diet. Number 1. Eggs. The humble egg is actually a protein powerhouse hiding inside a delicate shell. One egg typically contains around 6 grams of protein, as well as a host of nutrients, including iron, B-complex vitamins, and zinc. Eggs are easy to prepare and can be incorporated into several dishes, making them a versatile protein source. Number 2. Nuts. Almost all nuts are good sources of protein. Here's a breakdown of the protein content of 1 ounce of the following nuts: peanuts, 7 grams, almonds, 6 grams, cashews, 5 grams, pistachios, 6 grams, and hazelnuts, 6 grams. Nuts are a nutritious snacking option for people with both acute and chronic wounds. Eating nuts daily can effortlessly help boost protein intake and speed up wound recovery. Number 3. Chicken. Chicken is touted as the healthiest protein-rich option. It contains almost the same amount of protein as red meats like beef. An ounce of cooked boneless chicken provides around 7 grams of protein, similar to an ounce of cooked beef. Chicken has lower amounts of saturated fats, cholesterol, and a bit less sodium compared to other animal proteins. Add some chicken to stews and soups for a hearty and nutritious main meal. You can also grill or bake it for a healthier alternative to the popular, although unhealthy, fried chicken. Number 4. Beans. Beans are excellent plant-based protein sources. Split peas, lentils, and black beans all offer high amounts of protein per cup. Both split peas and lentils contain around 50 grams of protein per cup, while black beans have about 15 grams. Beans can be quickly added to any kind of dish or any meal. Add black beans into a breakfast bowl. Toast some split peas with olive oil, or cook up a lentil soup. Number 5. Milk. Whole milk has about 8 grams of protein per cup. It also contains vitamins D, A, and calcium, nutrients that are all essential in speeding up wound recovery. If you're not fond of dairy milk, or if you are lactose intolerant, consider getting extra protein fix from milk alternatives such as almond milk, coconut milk, or soy milk. Not fond of drinking glasses of milk? Add it to soups, baked goods, or oatmeal instead. Number 6. Yogurt. Yogurt is another dairy product that's rich in protein. A cup of plain yogurt contains approximately 8 grams of protein, while non-fat Greek yogurt packs in 21 grams per cup. Many people complain that yogurt is quite bland, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some ideas to perk up yogurt's taste. First, add it to fruit slices. Next, sprinkle it with nuts and blend in some honey. Finally, add yogurt to your fresh fruit smoothies. Let's review. Protein is a nutrient that can help rebuild damaged tissues and speed up wound healing. Foods rich in protein such as eggs, milk, yogurt, chicken, beans, and nuts should be added to your diet if you want faster wound recovery. Love this video? Share it with your family and friends right away. And for more healthy tips and mouth-watering recipes, subscribe to our channel now. Thanks for watching.